Man, this thing smells like black ice air fresheners. Thank you, previous owner. Good morning, YouTube. How's everybody doing today? It is another cold, crappy morning in Marshallville, Ohio. J&J Auto-Wrecking here with a test video of M6HU066. It's our 2006 Hummer H3. I already forgot the miles on it. I'll just open the door. Too many letters and numbers. Oh man, this thing smells like black ice air fresheners. Thank you, previous owner. Wait for it. 180,000 miles. I'm gonna go ahead and fire this up. This is a 3.5 liter inline 5, known for failure. This one appears to be great. Pull this bad boy off the charger here. Do a walk around here. We'll go over some of the things that are going to be for sale. With all of these Hummers, we do sell all of the flare pieces separately. So we're going to have the cowl caps, the fender flares, quarter flares, door flares. Those all for sale. I can see that the wheels are rocked. Have a nice OEM rear bumper, both of the end caps. Check the tailgate here for rust. Yeah, a little bit of rust in there. Tail lights, both end caps. Almost looks like something fell on this thing at some point. We are going to be selling a complete leather seat set out of this bad boy. Here is the rear. We will have the matching door panels for sale. Driver's seat has seen some wear, but it's still in good enough condition. Go ahead and step inside here. Test out the old power functions. Yep, that all works. Not able to put this thing into gear. The drive shaft has been removed, so it just kind of has things happen. But there we go. It is running extremely well. Climate control and everything lights up, as you guys can see here.
More snow overnight.
Radio works. Oh, floor motor's dead. That's always nice. Well, let's test out the power window regulators. Those are good on that side. That side is good as well. All right, that is going to wrap up the test video, short and sweet, of M6HU066. Just another Hummer H3 in and out the door, guys. If you're looking for parts off this rig, leave a link in the description below to our website, www.jnjautorecking.com, or you can give our sales staff a call over there in the office at 1-800-425-1555. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Check yourself before you wreck yourself. Thanks for watching.